Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we will install a Docker container and set up the basic on our server Ubuntu 22.04. I have created the EC2 instance on AWS with instance type is the3 large with 2 virtual CPU and 8 GB of RAM. Okay, we just connect to the server. Right here I'm use Termius as a SSH client. Add and continue. Okay, we successfully connect to our server. The installation of Docker container is available on Docker Docs, on install and Ubuntu. Can see we need to make our meet the requirement. If we use UEFI or firewall on Ubuntu server, we need to allow the setting, but in this case our Ubuntu server is just created. It means it's all clean, there is no firewall installed. We use this one, Ubuntu Jammy, so it's okay with x86 underscore 64 or AMD 64, it's okay. And the next one is uninstall old version. With our Ubuntu server is clean, fresh, so it doesn't have Docker container before. And we go to installation method. There are 4 ways that we can install Docker. The easiest one is use Docker desktop, but in this case we are on Ubuntu server, there is no desktop interface, so we go to the option number 2, using apt repository. Okay, this is it. Before you install Docker Engine for the first time on a new host machine, you need to set up the Docker repository. Okay, like here you can just copy. This means we will install some library and repository for Docker container, and we choose our version to match our Ubuntu server. Just copy and go to terminal. I just clear the screen. Okay, we just add repository, and the last one is we get update our server. Okay, we have successfully add a Docker repository and also updated our Ubuntu server. Next one is we need to install the latest version, or we can choose the specific one. We choose the latest version. Just copy the code. We go back again to terminal and hit enter again. Type Y to agree with the installation process, and the installation process is begin. We go back to manual. We can verify with run and hello world application. We can try this one later on. We go to terminal again. Okay, we run the hello world application, hit enter again. Okay, hello from Docker. This message show that your installation appears to be working correctly. Okay, to generate this message, Docker took the following steps. Number 1 is the Docker client contact the Docker daemon. The Docker daemon pull the hello world image from the Docker hub. Number 3 is the Docker daemon create a new container from that image, which run the executable that produce the output that we see right now, and the Docker daemon stream that output the Docker client, which send to our terminal right here. We can run again docker run -it ubuntu base. This means we run ubuntu docker container on ubuntu server, so we don't run it. Like here we can the first thing is we go to manual first, update docker engine, no, only install. On next step we need to go to post installation steps for Linux. Right here, manage docker as non-root user, so we will create a group called docker. Already exists. Okay, we add our current user, so we add this user Ubuntu, this user to Ubuntu to docker group. Okay, we can try right now to run hello world without sudo. Or still access denied. We need to log out and log in again, or we can create a new session. We duplicate this one, add and continue. We paste again. Now we can run docker without enter the sudo command. It means that our user Ubuntu has been added to docker group. Okay, if there is error, the next one is configure docker to start on boot with systemd. So we need to run this command. When we start or restart our server, the docker will also start. Okay, to disable this one, we change the enable to disable if we want to disable docker when we start or restart our server. Logging, we don't change this format. Okay, I think that's it. We have our docker running right here, containerd, and we have docker ps-a to see the all of our container. We create two container, but right now it's exit with status exit. The status is exited. It means it's not run anymore. We can also run docker images to see the image. We just have one, which is hello world. Okay, that's it, how we can install docker on our Ubuntu server 22.04, and we do some post installation steps for docker engine. Number one is manage docker as non-root user. Like here we use Ubuntu as a user, as a sudo user also, that we add to docker group. The second one is we configure docker to start on boot with systemd. Okay, thank you very much. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.